Welcome back to IQD to VND. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Today, we have some significant news regarding the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and Vietnamese Dong, VND, that you won't want to overlook. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the latest financial developments that could shape the future of the global economy. Kurdistan's oil exports resume. A major update from Guru Samson highlights a breakthrough in discussions between Washington and Baghdad regarding Kurdistan's oil exports. Reports suggest that both parties have acknowledged the urgency of restarting these crucial exports, given Iraq's heavy reliance on oil revenues. This decision marks a pivotal step toward economic stability and growth. The resumption of Kurdistan's oil exports is expected to significantly enhance Iraq's financial position. This move is part of a broader strategy to fortify the country's economy and ensure long-term financial resilience. Trump's call for debt repayment from Iraq. Another important development comes from Guru Walking Stick, who reports that former U.S. President Donald Trump is pushing for Iraq to repay its debts to the United States. However, Iraq isn't the only country under scrutiny. Trump is also calling on several nations, including NATO allies, to settle outstanding financial obligations. This push aligns with Trump's long-standing goal of ensuring fair financial agreements between the U.S. and other nations. The question now is how Iraq will manage these repayments and what impact this could have on its economic future. These developments are closely tied to Iraq's ongoing monetary reforms aimed at modernizing the nation's financial infrastructure, Iraq's digital transformation, and the rise of digital currency. According to Guru Sandy Ingram, the governor of the Trade Bank of Iraq, TBI, Ali Alak, has emphasized that Iraq is gradually moving away from physical cash. The country is actively working on launching its own digital currency, positioning itself alongside global financial leaders shifting toward digital transactions. This transition aligns with a global trend where central banks are adopting digital currencies to enhance security, efficiency, and transparency. Governor Alak has also indicated that maintaining both an official exchange rate and a secondary market will soon be unsustainable, signaling Iraq's shift toward a fully digital economy. Could Iraq move away from the US dollar? Speculation is growing over whether Iraq will abandon the US dollar. A recent report from Germany suggests that Iraq is seriously considering issuing its own digital currency to minimize dependence on the dollar. If this happens, it could significantly impact global financial markets and international trade. A digital currency backed by Iraq's central bank would enable electronic transactions via digital wallets, reducing reliance on physical cash. This move would modernize Iraq's financial system and position it as a pioneer in digital finance. Major banking reforms in Iraq. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani is actively working on transforming Iraq's banking sector. Recently, he led discussions on reforming Iraq's two largest banks, Rafidain and Rashid, with the help of consulting firm Ernst & Young. These reforms aim to align Iraq's banking sector with international financial standards by upgrading outdated systems, improving banking regulations, and enhancing staff training. These efforts will make Iraq's financial system more competitive on the global stage. Upcoming banking software, upgrade and currency changes. Significant changes are on the horizon as Iraq's financial institutions prepare to implement an advanced banking software system. This upgrade will improve financial communication across banks, forex markets, and financial entities, ensuring smooth adaptation to new monetary policies. Reports indicate that Iraq may soon introduce lower denomination banknotes, a crucial step in its financial restructuring. This move is designed to regulate money supply and stabilize the value of the Iraqi dinar. The strategy behind currency withdrawal. You may wonder why central banks sometimes reduce the amount of money in circulation. This practice helps manage economic stability. When an excessive amount of currency floods the market, its value can decrease due to supply and demand dynamics. Think of it like a fruit market. When there's an oversupply of oranges, prices drop. Similarly, an oversupply of Iraqi dinars can weaken its value. To counter this, Iraq's central bank is strategically withdrawing excess currency from circulation, potentially increasing the dinar's strength. How could a stronger dinar benefit you? If the Iraqi dinar appreciates in value, several benefits could follow. Lower costs for imported goods. A stronger dinar would make electronics, clothing, and food more affordable. Increased investor confidence. A stable currency attracts foreign investment, leading to business expansion and job creation. Improved living standards. A more robust economy creates better financial opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. However, this process must be carefully managed. If too much money is removed from circulation too quickly, it could slow economic activity, making loans less accessible and reducing consumer spending. Iraq's central bank must balance these measures to ensure financial stability. Final thoughts. Iraq is undergoing significant economic changes, from digital transformation and banking reforms to potential shifts in currency strategy. These developments could have far-reaching implications for global financial markets. Stay tuned as we continue to track these exciting updates. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on breaking news about IQD, VND, and global financial trends. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.